How to install TLog. In this video, we will cover minimum system requirements, where to download TLog, and how to run the TLog installer. Before installing, please pause and ensure your computer has the minimum system requirements. To download the TLog installer, navigate to kb.solo.cloud in your web browser. Then search TLog installation. On this page, click the download link. Locate the executable file on your computer and double-click. The TLog Setup Wizard window will open. Click Next. Review and accept the terms in the license agreement, then click Next. Select the file types you want to automatically open in TLog. This means any of these file types saved locally will open with TLog by default. Click Next. Click Install. After the installation is complete, check the box to launch TLog and click Finish. The TLog sign-in screen will open. If you have a solo account with the TLog license, click the Solo Sign-in button to log in your web browser. If you do not have a solo account, watch the next video in the series to learn how to create one and assign a TLog license.